So here, for logging your SAP console, first you have to log in your VM workstation here. So open first your VM workstation, and here have the green button. Either you can use this one, or either you can click on this one. So using this one, after clicking on this one, Windows 2003 server will make ready for you. Wait for the 2 or 3 minutes depending on your laptop configuration and RAM um, memory of the RAM. So here have Windows 2003 servers are waiting for the starting up. So Windows 2000 server login is ready for you. Here you have to log in your Windows Server 2003. So here we can use also press same time at a time Control Alt Delete. Instead of using Control Alt Delete, we can use Control Alt Insert. Select this one, Control Alt Insert. Here everywhere having the password India123 in a small, don't have any caps. So India123. Here when we are switch off your log off your 2003 server in the first time, when next time you are opening, at that case you have to put the some comment anything, then you can able to log in your Windows 2003 server. Now we are having the Windows 2 Windows Server 2003, and here having the SAP Management Console. This is the SAP Management and SAP Login. So you can use the full using for the full screen for the this icon. And first you have to console directly. We can't go in the SAP login. So first you have to log in your console, SAP console, management console. Again you can the full screen. Here first in the ECC we can click on the right click, and here again having the same password. What are the server password, server login password? Here SAP console is the same. So what is the password here? India123 in a small. India123 in a small. Wait for till ECC will become green. Okay. This is also fully depends on your laptop configuration and the RAM sizes. Minimum RAM sizes required 6 GB, 4 GB for the this SAP application, and 2 GB for your Windows operations. So if you are having the less than 4 GB for this year, so we have to upgrade your RAM. Here having the, we can refresh here. Now ABAP table. Wait for the till all ABAP table in waiting stage, not running, waiting stage. After becoming ACC will become green. Wait for the green. Still waiting. Still wait for the green. So before green, the table having the running stage. So this running stage should be in the waiting stage. After green, thus now ECC became green, and wait for again, refresh the here, wait for the running stage to waiting stage. So system is not available for the login your SAP console. So we have to wait till run becomes waiting stage. ABAP table, refresh. So now waiting stage started, running to waiting stage. So just in the few seconds, just wait for the few seconds till becomes running into the waiting stage. Okay, almost 90% waiting stage is completed. Now we can go in SAP window, in the Windows server. Now we can log in your SAP. Still is in waiting stage. Wait for now the login. Here user ID having SAP user. SAP user. Be remember here password having I capital. Everywhere I is small. Here having I capital. I means India 123, I is capital. If you by mistake we have entered more than 3 times wrong password here, will your SAP login will revoke, and we can't unrevoke directly. So make sure should not have more than 2 attempt wrong password. If you are having, then again you have to reinstall. There is a long process to install again. So you have to charge full amount, at least 500 amount, whatever you have charged, minimum 500 amount to again unrevoke your user ID and password. Remember here. So I capital India, I and DIA India 123. Username is a SAP user and password here having I capital I India 123. India 123 is I is capital. Remember always. If you did any mistakes, so this is up to you. Okay. Now your SAP having the what are the modules we are having? The human resource, we are having the human resource. So all the human resource module here having available here. Accounting, the FICO, the finance and control, here having your logistic, SAP MM, logistic. Then several things. What are the SAP modules we are looking for? The integrated, we are all things we are having here. Okay. For the first time operation, depending on again laptop configuration and RAM memory speed, the application will take time to make available to use it. Okay. Now when you are completing your task activities, so directly we can't directly shut down. If you're by mistake we can shut down from here, then next time unable to log in again. Okay, so they're having the logging shutdown process, so you have to always follow this process. So here having the VM, the power off, so you can go suspend and power off. Suspend if you are using suspend, using suspend, then when next time you are opening and using the SAP console, so we can your laptop or your SAP console login process is fast, because from where we have stopped there can start directly if you are using the suspend. If you are using the power off, then completely, if you are using power completely, your this SAP SAP login, SAP environment is directly going to shut down. Okay, now shut down. Here again we have to just exit here. Okay, if by mistake you have your logged out instead of properly not logged out, shut down, and by mistake due to the power failure or your laptop shut down directly, at that case here we are from here we can go file, instead of using the here power button, you can go file and open. From open, from here go in the my documents, and you have the virtual machine and select from here. Okay, if unfortunately directly shut down or power failure, so directly we can open from here from the next time, otherwise we are not able to log in again. So be careful while your login process or opening your SAP console. Okay, thanks for the day we can utilize whenever having the requirement for the login process. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.